Time for fun, time for smiles, a special time for you.
Story time with Barney
is what we love to do. Stories old and stories new, a fairy tale or two.
Story time with Barney
is fun for me and you. We just love to share great tales from here and there. So listen carefully, with your imagination you can see. Now let's go to Storyland and we'll learn something new. Here's a special story just for you.
Hey guys, it's time for short stories with Barney.
Listen to the raindrops as they fall. Listen to the parrot as she calls to all her friends living in the rainforest. Listen to the raindrops all day long. Listen to the froggy sing his song to all his friends living in the rainforest. Listen to the raindrops drip, drip, drip. Listen to the monkey skip, skip, skip with all his friends living in the rainforest. Listen to the raindrops as they hit the ground. Listen to that happy, peaceful sound of all our friends living in the rainforest. Listen to the raindrops fall so slow. Look, there's the sun and a bright rainbow for all our friends living in the rainforest. Just listen, for this story has come to the end.
Oh, the end. Stories are so much fun.
You go, Barney.
I just can't wait for another one. In movies or books on TV.
I'll sing it.
At the start of the day. Before I go out and play.
That's right.
The last thing at night. Until you turn out the light.